In this video, I will be showing you how to install VLC media player on macOS. So let's get started. First thing, just search for VLC media player. We'll be having the official link from videolan.org. Just select it, and here we will be having the download VLC option. Click on this drop down, macOS option and macOS Silicon. So just select the option of your choice. Mine is Apple Silicon, so I will just select it, and the download will be getting started. It is around 48 MB in size. Once the download is complete, just open it, drop it into applications folder. Now to open VLC, just go to apps and search for VLC. We'll be having it. Click on open here, and we'll be getting the VLC media player interface like this. Now let's say if you want to play a video using VLC media player, you can simply go to that particular video. Here I am having one. You're just going to right click on it, and here we are having open with. You can simply select VLC and click on allow. That particular video will be getting played in the VLC media player. Now if you want to make VLC as the default video player, just right click again, click on get info, and in this get info, here we are having open with, right? Expand it, click on this drop down, just select VLC and click on change all. And as it clearly says, are you sure you want to change all similar documents to open with application VLC? So this is for .mov. If you're having .mp4 also, just do the same procedure. Just click on continue. That's it. Now VLC is the default. Now I will just go and double click on this video. As you can see, it gets automatically opened in the VLC media player. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.